MediaFutures is a joint venture of a range of data stakeholders, research institutes, universities, NGOs, small and medium businesses from 6 European countries. We came together to deliver an open innovation program in quite an exciting space that sits between data science and AI technologies and arts.
In 2020, MediaFutures put out an open call to artists and startups. We asked them to propose innovative and inspirational ways to engage with the public about misinformation.
Misinformation and disinformation are one of the greatest challenges that our society is facing right now. It is really about exploring how arts-inspired approaches could help us deliver solutions and experiences in data science and AI that are informative and educative for the general public at the same time.
We have 3 tracks in MediaFutures. The traditional one is acceleration for startups. We select startups who already have a product, a concept in this sector of media, and we accelerate them with a mentoring program, etc.
The winner of the Startup Citizens category is Go Kind.
We have created a banking app for sustainability. Connect to your existing bank and automatically see how the companies you buy from stack up against their competitors.
We take sustainability data from company sustainability report and annual reports, and then we make it super easy to read and understand and compare for people.
A very centric point of our business is to keep it very open with how we handle data as we use the open banking system.
There is also a new line of innovation processes that involves artists. It's called the STARS program for science, technology and the arts. And the program promotes the role of artists as catalyzers of innovation.
The winner of the Artists for Media track is Soft Evidence.
From 2021, Soft Evidence by Anya Catherine and Deja Tai is a slow synthetic cinema series depicting events that never happened, 9 scenes and testimony. Using AI, computer vision, machine learning and deep learning, the artists created synthetic media vignettes, deep fakes, with no trace of AD manipulation.
So the logic behind this format of having 9 scenes and 1 testimony is essentially we have our protagonist who is seen in different areas doing different activities, and then we have a testimony where essentially she is just saying all the things that she's never done. So we have this moment of confusion and that feeling of not knowing what to believe.
The aesthetic strategy of Soft Evidence was to be apolitical in content, to be a neutral ground for conversation.
And then, yes, there is this track called Startups Meets Artists, in which they work together on the same objective.
In the Startup Meets Artist category, Bibliograph is the winner.
Our project is called Bibliograph, an environment for reading and collective data aggregation. It combines 2 microtools, text annotation and voice recording, to produce community-sourced linked data. It is about increasing visibility to the collections of libraries and archives through digital literacy, by bringing semantic technologies to non-technical people.
Our long-term goal is to offer access to digital technology that today is only available at enterprise level, with an ethical data approach without tracking any users or selling user data.
We have planned to run this competition for 2 more years.
We want our platform to be available across the entire Europe to all citizens and help them to make informed and good decisions in all markets they buy from.
Our approach was basically asking the question of how can an artwork create feeling states which stir a thought, which lead into awareness, which can cause social change.
We believe that artists and intellectuals should also be involved in developing digital technology.
It has been an incredible experience to just learn and observe how these incredibly talented people go about conceptualizing, understanding, engaging with technology.
To find out more about MediaFutures and the second open call, visit mediafutures.eu.